All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another one reaching us. Still on the matter, Yoruba nation no going back. Exactly what the days, exactly what the people are talking about. All right, oh my brother, my sister, this one will be say it dey reach us now. Na ogbonge news. In fact, this one na very good news for all the Yoruba people, for all my Yoruba people. This one will be say I carry come so. Now the news wey be say everybody don dey talk about news wey be say e don dey jaroi for the year of everybody. Now as e dey hot, make you no let am kolo. All the six governors of Yoruba land, they don come together now. They don do one strong meeting. Now know say before na this man, this late Rotimi Akeredolu, na him be the chairman of all the governors for Southwest, for the state for Yoruba land. But now after the buying of that man, we be say the man come late, where this Rotimi Akeredolu come late, we be say he no day again. Now in the come choose the governor of Lagos State, Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, as their new chairman of this six governors of Yoruba land. Okay, now this one are good news. This group of governors, all of them, they can gather themselves together, then do one strong meeting. This meeting will be say then do now strong one will be say they can bring down the national anthem. You know, say the Nigerian government just changed the national anthem. We be say we've been they read it before. They can bring the new one we then call Nigeria We Hate Thee. We be say they can say anything where you want to do now. Now that's a national anthem. Nigeria We Hate Thee. Now in everybody go they recite. But now the reverse can't be the case. So my brother, my sister, now God they do this one for we the Yoruba people. If that they like them or not, you know, say me I don't talk this thing many times. They say either they like them or not, this Yoruba nation it shall be actualized. Be one fair, be one call. Okay, now exactly waiting we can they talk now. But they say now all the six governors of the Yoruba land can gather themselves together, led by the Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. They don't gather themselves together now. Can't talk say right now. Now this Yoruba anthem we be say we dey sing Ise wa fun ile wa orile ede wa. You understand? Say na him be the anthem we be say then go dey sing for all the Yoruba land. My brother, my sister, this one this one now waiting we dey talk about. All these people now don't come outside. They don't come outside. Say right now, say all those one we be say then they talk say Nigeria We Hate Thee. Waiting concern us with Nigeria We Hate Thee. Say waiting we going to sing now. Now him be the Yoruba national anthem. We be say every Yoruba person go come they recite for inside the Yoruba land. Now him every Yoruba people go they recite. My brother, my sister, this one na great news for every Yoruba people. No, I know say we don't talk this thing. Say as far as this country is concerned, waiting concern us. Say nothing concern us with one Nigeria. now no say all these our governors before we they look say whether they no get our time, but we know say one day God go arrest them. One day God go make sure say he enter inside their heart, and at the thing we be say now in the happen right now onto this level. Now, according to wetin dey happen, they don't say this national anthem. Now, in them go they go they recite in all local government of Yoruba land. Now, in fact, for every state, everybody go they sing, and even for the school, then go they sing this national anthem. My brother, my sister, that is why I can't they tell all of my people say, make anybody no relent at all for this Yoruba nation movement, because God done ready to vindicate everybody. All the Yoruba nation agitators. In fact, I want use this medium to they thank all the Yoruba nation agitators. I want thank everybody for all the ishe takun we be say all of them don't they do onto this movement. A lot of people they shout Pilado word with the gbadun your program. Gbadun as you take the naki, all of them are pako. Say onto this level we be say you they carry come they shout no going back, no shene, no going back, no shene. Now waiting we want make make you dey follow hustle to dey knack them, they go be that. And thank God to say everybody know say unto this level from beginning to the end, no going back. Na him at the start, and no going back also. Na him we take the hand am. Yes, so we know they miss am at all, because we know say this Yoruba nation movement na him go na him be the koko, because we know say this Yoruba nation go na him be the main thing. Who be that person wey be say he won't remain for that country wey dem call one Nigeria? Na iya that person go bambe. All right, my brother, my sister, this one na good news wey be say e dey reach our table now. All the six governors of Yoruba land, everybody don't come outside. They say, in fact, for every school, make una they teach them that song. Iṣẹ́ wa fúnlẹ̀ wa, lórílẹ̀ èdè wa. Hey, now understand it. That song where we say everybody don't they sing and sense. Now that song go. Now in the one they hear now, say that one where we say that they talk, say Nigeria we AD. Say now that one we they talk about. My brother, my sister, no be small something. No. Now everybody done they jubilate. Say now it don't show. Say all these things where we say we they do for social media. Where we say now the help us they share, because I they see say many people they share our job. As soon as they share them, they reach their side. This one shows say all those people, all those governors, all those politicians, all of them, then they hear our job. That is why it good to make una they share them. As soon as don't they do so, we they say una handiwork. Our prayer be say Baba God will continue to the bless ona. Now, my brother, my sister, this one na another good news. It can show say everything wey Chief Sunday Igboho they fight for, you know, go just go in vain. Laye kò lè jẹ́ lásán. Now so it can be no wonder Chief Sunday Igboho every now and then he go come outside, they talk say no going back, no shene upon everything wey be say dem do that man. Upon say that man get money, get everything, he say bring himself down for the sake of Yoruba nation, because he know say this Yoruba nation movement God to get hand inside them. He know say this Yoruba nation movement na God na he endorse am. Now for all these six governors to come together, from Lagos state governor, from Oyo state governor, from Osun state governor, Ekiti state governor, for Ondo state governor, Kwara, all of them now they don't endorse this thing. After the meeting they come say now we no go do follow them, they sing in Nigeria we hate thee. For Yoruba land now waiting we go they sing na iṣẹ́ wa fún ilẹ̀ wa. You understand? Iwata go that the thing where be say we they talk about that. My brother, my sister, this one now him be the news where be say onto this level. Now him be the news where be say it dey onto social media. Now everybody come they say now we they talk. Now they talk waiting day. Thank God to say now Chief Sunday Igboho don't call all the Yoruba nation agitators, make everybody make them come outside, most especially the youth. Say now we go they enter house to house to they do awareness. That one will be say we they do that time we be say everything come the chocolate, everything come the go silliness and then one now so it go come be now Yoruba nation is the only way. Yoruba nation is the solution. For all those one we come outside that time come call themselves Omi Nira group where then they now shame on them. Many of them don't threaten us tire, but we know say all those one are just jege. Now him be that threat, because we know say now we go now we be the real deal. We know say now we go now we be the Yoruba nation movement. Now we go now we be the Yoruba nation agitator, where everybody knows say we they talk the truth. Now so it can be a Chief Sunday Igboho, now him be our leader, now him be our oga. Yes, so and then meanwhile everybody can say if Chief Sunday Igboho be our leader, he be our oga, then who can be Professor Banji Akintoye? Thank God that man come outside, they can't talk and say yes, so Chief Sunday Igboho na him be una oga, but as for me I be una baba. All right, my brother, my sister, now the cocoa be that. Now the news wey be say e dey reach us now be this way I say make I let una know as the gbona. Okay, my brother, my sister, until I come on away next time I go say Yoruba nation no going back. Exactly what is it? Yoruba nation now so e go come be no going back. No shine. All right, until I come your way next time, my brother, my sister, I say on a bye for now.